So we are filming one of our latest import cars today with one of our staff members, Rich Awty, who we've previously done a feature with on his Honda S2000. Awty thinks we're doing a feature, but little does he know that we got a surprise in store for him. So let's get on with the feature and then we'll show you what's in store halfway through. Awty!
Morning, Dave.
How's it going, mate?
All good, you?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate. Introduce yourself to the viewers that haven't seen your feature before on your S2000 and tell me what car we've got behind us today.
Okay, so I'm Rich Awty, e-commerce administrator at Tegawa. So I do all the product listings on the website. And here's my new GT86. So freshly imported from Japan at the same time as our other one. This was underneath it. And yeah, it's covered in all TRD goodies. You can probably tell straight away it's not like a normal GT86 silhouette. So we've got a TRD front lip on it, we've got TRD side skirts, TRD rear bumper. We've got lots of these little TRD, like these winglets here, and there's some like more little ones over here. I'm presuming they're TRD as well. We've got TRD aero stabilizer on the back window, TRD spoiler, plus the little side ones here. Full TRD exhaust system, TRD gear knob and start-stop button, and fuel cap garnish, TRD carbon fibre strut brace, TRD chassis bracing kit underneath. It's like an 11-piece kit. I think that's all of the, oh, and TRD brake pads.
It looks like it's a full TRD catalogue then, full GT86 TRD catalogue.
I don't think it's far off.
Is there anything you're missing?
So as far as I'm aware, so it's not got the TRD coilovers because it's on Time Flex A's. It's missing a few little bits like the oil filler cap, the radiator cap, a couple of little bits like that. There's another option for the rear, which instead of the little aero stabilizer, they do like a window louver kit. So there's a few bits and bobs like that that, you know, I might get to just kind of complete the whole TRD package. There's TRD air boxes. They're discontinued now, but, you know, I know a man that might be able to help me get one.
You're in the right place for it,
I am in the right place. So, yeah, I'm going to keep with the TRD theme and try and sort of...
Full catalogue.
Yeah,
build.
keep going with it, really. The only thing, like, I'm not really bothered. So the UK TRDs, they had these weird, like, fan blade wheels. They're a bit... Yeah.
Bit leave it.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm glad it's not got them, but it does seem to have more TRD on it than a UK TRD has.
Yeah. Well, it definitely looks unique, and the silhouette has changed sort of subtly, hasn't it, with these bits?
Yeah, I like it. And when I'm driving along, I can see like people making that ooh face at it. So
yeah, nice.
I like that.
And you said TRD a lot,
yeah,
but the viewers at home may not know what TRD means. So what does TRD stand for?
So TRD is Toyota Racing Development, and they are to Toyota what Mugen are to Honda.
Okay.
So yeah, so they do like the you know, the
aftermarket parts for
like OEM
Toyota.
aftermarket, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
They are the equivalent of Mugen, which I imagine most of our viewers have heard of because obviously we're big on the Hondas. So yeah, they do a lot of, you know, for this. They do obviously other Toyotas that they'll, you know, kit out from a factory fresh car. Yeah.
Sounds good. Pretty much full TRD catalogue build. What's interesting to me is the standard wheels.
Yeah, so I know that was one of the first things I noticed. So like, it's got this great silhouette. It's got all these cool bits on, and then they've gone and left these weird Prius-looking wheels on there, and just put some spacers on to push them out. So although it's not got the TRD wheels, which I don't like either, it does have these horrible OEM ones instead. I'm not sure which one's worse, to be honest. But at least, I mean, the fitment's good. They put spacers on at least for me. That's nice of them. But yeah.
Well, I've got a little surprise for you, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you want to come with me and I'll just show you?
Go on then, where are we going?
We're just going to the container.
Okay. Sounds ominous.
Stay there,
You're slightly
sir.
scared now, Dave.
It's all right. There's nothing to worry about. There's no big spiders in here.
Well, you wouldn't be going in if there was. You shipping me off?
Yeah, we're sending you to Japan.
Yes! You got me some tyres?
We've got you some tyres and we've got you some new wheels, mate.
No way.
Yes, mate. Yes.
Go on.
Oh. So, we've got you some Yokohama V107s.
No way.
Yes, way.
Oh, sick.
Got you some Maverick 905Ss. So
That's
should we get them over there next to the car and I can tell you a bit about them?
yeah, that's incredible. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so I called in a favour from our good friends at Weds. I'm going to give the guys at Weds a call. Obviously they're over in Japan, so we don't know the time well, we do know the time difference, probably asleep, but I'm going to ring them, see if they answer. Let's see how it goes. Probably wake them up. Hello Weds, how's it going? So, I need a favour please guys. We've just imported a GT86 for one of our staff members. The car is mega, it's got full TRD catalogue on it, but the wheels are letting it down, it's really bad. Lovely, thank you Weds, we'll see you in a bit. Brilliant news, but obviously wheels are nothing without tyres, so let's give our next contact a call. So obviously the next guys I'm going to call, Yokohama. Use Yokohama on Suki. Let's see what they can do for us. Yeah, the Advan Sport V107. Yeah, I've heard really good things about them. All right, I look forward to receiving them. Bye. We're all good. Awty's got his wheels, so let's jump back and we'll reveal them to him. They hooked you up with a set of these Maverick 905S wheels. If you don't know, Weds is like a big umbrella company. They manufacture Weds Sport wheels, Maverick, F-Zero, Crans. You've probably heard of Crans if you're into your JDM wheels, that kind of thing. Forgive me, I'm slightly out of breath from carrying all this stuff from the container. But what do you think, mate?
They look like that, then that's incredible. If that is that the actual design?
That's the actual wheel, yeah. So
that's so cool.
Yeah, the Maverick 905S. They're 18 by 8.5 ET42. I think they're 17 by 7.5. So you've got another inch, you've got another half an inch.
Well, I've got about an inch worth of spacer on at the moment, so
yeah. So we know that they'll fit. They're polished with a gunmetal face. They're a two-piece wheel. And we know that they're going to be a strong wheel for you, so if you're going to do track days, things like that in the future, we know that they've got a good motorsport pedigree because as we've seen when we went to Japan, and Weds invited us to their HQ, we met some of the team, learned more about the wheels, and they even showed us some prototype wheels as well. And then we actually spent the day with Weds where they treated us to VIP access to Super GT at Fuji Speedway. We had an up-close look at the GT500 Toyota Supra, and that had Weds Sport TC105X on, and we use that on Suki. Yeah, it's like our go-to wheel if we want a really strong option.
I've never had a two-piece wheel before, so I'm excited to see these. Yeah, that's awesome.
And then we called in a little favour as well from our friends at Yokohama, because obviously it's no good sorting you out with wheels if they're not going to fit because they're the wrong diameter. So called on our friends at Yokohama. They hooked you up with a set of Advan Sport V107s. So these are an ultra-high performance road tyre. We know these are good because a lot of the cars that we've seen coming out of the containers, so the GR Corolla, our latest M3 E90, they've all had V107s on. So if the guys in Japan are running them on performance cars.
Yeah, well, I know 40 uses them on his BM as well, and he's about 330 brakes. So if it can handle that, then 200 won't be a problem.
Now, I won't leave you in any suspense for longer. I'm sure you're dying to open them.
Yeah, like I say, I've never had a two-piece wheel before, so I'm keen to have a look at these. And yeah, that's just awesome. Made my day, made my week, made my year.
You're welcome. Big thanks to our friends at...
yeah, huge thank you to Weds and massive thank you to Yokohama as well, both of you. Like, yeah, but these are...
They've come through with the goods.
Can I open them?
Yeah, of course you can.
I don't want to jump the gun, but... Oh.
So the tyres and the wheels are available at Tegaway.com. You can check out the F-Zero range, the Leonis range, and obviously the Weds Sport range as well. TC105X being one of the most popular selling wheels, but yeah, let's let Awty crack them open.
Like Christmas, but better. Oh, stickers.
Nice.
I'm going to give them to you because you're a sticker guy. I wouldn't be able to put them on in a straight line.
We'll sort them out for you once the wheels are on. I'll go and put them inside, just out of the way.
Oh, the moment of truth. Sorry. Oh, they are nice.
Ooh.
Oh, spicy. Oh yeah, they are beautiful. They're gonna look so good. Goodbye Prius wheels. Hello, Weds.
Wow, and then if you just open it all, you can see the stamping and the sizes you've got just on the back. Just here, look.
A little hologram as well. Genuine.
So we know that the genuine Weds, obviously, yeah, straight from Japan. Sorted you out. I think I phoned them about 3 weeks ago. So shipping was super fast.
Yeah.
Straight from Japan.
Yeah, massive thanks to Weds on that. That's incredible.
It's a lovely finish on them, isn't it?
Can I get them on?
You can get them. Yeah, yeah.
What, we're going? We're going? I get to take it off. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so satisfying. There we go.
Nah, you're going to go and get the tyres mounted to the wheels, aren't you?
Yep.
Bring them back and then you can put them on the car.
Absolutely, yeah. We've just opened the box up and found we've got the little centre cap and the valve because it's got weird valve placement. So I've not come across this before because I've only had normal wheels, but the valve goes there and then there's a cut out there. So guessing that's why they give you this like fancy shaped valve to, yeah. And I've got a nice centre cap to go in as well.
But it's just a good thing as well. Another thing you don't have to worry about when you're buying these kind of wheels, that everything in the box is supplied and ready to go. So you're not going to unbox your wheel and go, oh my God, I've not seen this valve.
Yeah, and I've not got then go to worry about buying the right one because that's the right one. Because
it's supplied with it. So
yeah, I think it's time to go get these wheels wrapped in these lovely tyres.
There's that back. I'll let you pack it up and then we can get it in the car.
Awesome, thank you. Got the wheels, tyres fitted. Connor's going to do us a quick pit stop and get them whipped over for us. I've raided the Tegua clearance section and got some Muteki wheel nuts for them in purple, my favourite. Just no one else wants purple, so they've ended up in clearance. So yeah, I guess we'll show you when it's done.
I don't know why I'm stood here.
I don't know why you study reading. Anyway, good as you.
Oh, bro! Yo! So, Awty, it's done, they're on.
They're on.
What are you thinking, mate?
I think they look incredible, yeah. I'm well chuffed with them. They're spot on. like this, whoever picked out this style, like proper me that is. So like, yeah, that's cracking choice there. You know, I like things a bit like, you know, well, I don't
different.
know. Yeah. I mean, shoe choice, for example, like, and shoe choice. So you gotta roll with it, aren't you?
Shout out to Weds, because they actually came up with these wheels, and yeah, they were the ones that sorted us out with them.
Yeah.
So
yeah, big thank you to Weds. They look amazing. You know, incredible group, and they make some cracking wheels, like, and they know. I'm guessing did they pick the fitment, or did you?
yeah. So we kind of just gave them your car, said this is the car, what's going to look good, what do you recommend?
Yeah.
And the Maverick 905S is what they came back with in this fitment, and as you can see, for a bolt-on fitment,
Yeah,
it's nigh on perfect, isn't
yeah.
it?
Like if I really wanted to, I could probably get away with 5mm spacer at the back, but it's my daily. It's not like you know, it's comfortable fitment, isn't it? Like it's it's great.
And shout out Yokohama as well, because they hooked us right up with the 235 4017 Yokohama Advan Sport V107.
Yeah, I like a chunky looking tyre as well. I don't like too much stretch, and I think that just fills out the arch just lovely.
It's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you've got your dream actual JDM build now, haven't you?
Yeah, it's pretty much perfect now.
Yeah, so thank you for watching. So you can check out these Maverick 905S wheels on our website. We'll be listing the Maverick range as well on there. There's also the other Weds wheels brands. So you've got Weds Sport, F-Zero, Leonis. They're all on there. TC105X for a proven motorsport wheel if you're into that. All of the Yokohama range is also on there, isn't it?
So including all the motorsport ones, but also the fast road tyres like these.
Yeah, Awty is the guy who lists stuff, so he is the guy responsible for listing it all.
Don't forget the wheel nuts as well.
Yeah, the wheel nuts, the Mutek is, they're on there. TRD, everything you need is at tegel.com basically.
Pretty much. Job well done.